one of the problems that we have these days is when we did in-person auditions, they saw 40, 60, 80 actors for a role. Now they're seeing, no shit, 200, 300, 400 actors for the same goddamn role. And the problem with that is the competition is, first, the competition's a lot stiffer. You know, as actors, yes, instead of in the room where we get one shot at it, maybe two if we're lucky, we do a self-tape. So we get to do it over and over and over again until we get it right. That's great, but everyone gets to do it over and over and over again until they get it right. And then the trap there, and you've probably heard this if you watch my videos, the trap there is, you know, we got actors doing 20, 30 takes to just get it just perfect. And then if they get a Zoom call back, they got one shot. They're used to doing it over and over and over again. Now they get to do it once. So my recommendation when it comes to that kind of stuff is rehearse, rehearse, rehearse. But then when you go to do it on tape, you know, to send in, do it once, maybe twice. I'm not saying don't do it a third time if you don't love it, but get used to one take, two takes. Because man, if you're on the set, you get one, you get two, that's it. You get very little rehearsal, you know what I mean? So you have to do all your work before you even get to the set. So I just want actors to be ready for the real thing. I don't want this fantasy land where you get to rehearse as much as you want, do as many takes as you want, because that's not what happens. And the truth of the matter is, when you get a job, that's when you have the best opportunity to get more work. When you impress the shit out of the director, the producers, the casting director, all of that, if you make a fan out of them, they're going to call you in again and again and again. In 2019, half of my jobs were with directors that I had worked with previously. So when you book a job, man, that's your opportunity to get more work later on down the line and fill up that pipeline with directors that are a fan of yours.